Hello everyone. So I had already dampened and braided my hair yesterday night so that I can get a better result today. So now let's see how it turns out. I think they have turned out pretty good and are looking really voluminous. You need to apply hairspray so that the crimps stay throughout the day. I usually don't apply hairspray and I don't mind them fading away as well. Trying to style it properly so that my hair looks nicer. Also today my hair seems to be extra frizzy, but it's fine. So overall this one is a success and looks really voluminous and pretty and was worth the try. Looks good for short hair people like me. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.